Today I'm ranking 14 of the best and most popular tire dressing and tire shine on the market. Not only that, I'll rank them on a tier list from S to D. S being the absolute best, 10 out of 10, A being excellent or highly recommended, B being a solid performer but like good enough, C is good but needs improvement, and D is poor or not recommended. Alright, so I hope you're ready. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with a banger. I've been testing Armour Detailed Supply Tire Plus for more than a year and a half now. This one, I really like the presentation, the colors. These spares are very, very good. One of my favorite type of spare on the market. And the gloss from this is just perfect. Semi-gloss, not too dry, not too glossy, just right in the middle, well balanced. I like the bubble gum smell from this product. You've guessed right, this product goes exactly in the S tier. Product number 2 out of 14 is Bola Solution Tire Dressing or Tire Essence. This is their T47. This one is solvent based. I'm not a big fan of solvent tire dressing. I know they have been re-emerging in the market. Every brand is coming out with a new one these days, but these products, they just go on your hands all the time. They're greasy, they clog up your applicator, they clog up your brushes. And yeah, I'm not a big fan. This bottle is so greasy just touching at it. They are difficult to clean off because of the solvent that are made to bond really well, that are made to last. So this one, I've also changed the pump up top, leaking, all kinds of problems all over your hands, really greasy and nasty. So for this one, this is one of the best solvent tire dressing on the market, in my opinion. Just has the right shine, rime gloss, right glow, not blotchy, and feels the tire really nice. If you have a thirsty tire that are never dressed up, I would go with this. Bola T47 also has a cologne type of scent, really pleasant. So overall, Bola goes in the A tier list because it's one of the best solvent, but it lost a few points when it comes to pump and the fact that it's solvent based. I'll have to keep the rinseless close by because these solvents, tire dressing bottles are all nasty. By the way, every products mentioned in this video are going to be linked down below. You can always use the coupon code DOGMA, and that's the best way to support this channel. Thank you so much. All right, third product is CARPRO Perl, the legendary tire dressing versatile product. Can be diluted according to your needs, can be used on different type of substrate. But this stuff has been out for so many years. For me, it needs to be reworked. It struggles sometimes with filling sports tires such as the Michelin PS4S or any tires with a velour sidewall style of tires. And when it comes to applying this on tires, in my opinion, it needs to be used straight, unless you want to cheap out, unless you really like that fading style or that really matte style of tire dressing. But in my opinion, it lacks a little bit of gloss, and the scent in this product turns bad over time. Upon receiving this product, it smells a little bit like a banana type of scent, which is good. But over time, the scent just turns like a bad, like an old worn out shoe, really gross, really nasty. So, and this bottle is produced in July 2022. So, but I like the DNA of CARPRO Perl, so this product goes into the B tier. Next up is Clean by Pan Tire Dressing. This tire shine is solvent based. It has the same problem as the others, meaning that it's a thick gel and it spreads over your hands, over your applicator, clogs them up, tough to clean, but nonetheless, still a very good tire shine. It comes with a dripper like this, nice presentation, has no scent, so a neutral type of scent, which for me is a con. I'd like to have a nice fragrance to my tire dressing, and is a little too thick for my taste. When it comes to application, you can see a side-by-side comparison in this video, a little too thick, but when you start driving, after a short drive, it'll tone down and look better, but still not as even as some of the other competitors. So for me, the Clean by Pan is still a very good product. I would put it in the B tier. By the way, before everybody goes crazy in the comment section, for me, the solvent-based tire dressing don't really offer anything more. They don't last longer than the best water-based tire dressing. And after you've drove in the rain, like I said, they don't improve anything, they don't last as long, they still get dirty, although they protect the tire just fine. But like I said, if you want the freshly applied tire dressing look, you'll have to reapply. So whether you use a solvent-based one or a water-based one, it doesn't matter. The solvent-based one are just a pain in the butt to work with. Next up is Cleantle tire dressing. This scent is soapy scent, so not the best scent here, kind of good, but sort of average. And I like this one a lot. Actually, this one reminds me of Koch Chemie HPC and the Onyx. So great one, is a thick gel, so very nice to apply, very easy to know where you applied or not. Just great stuff in general, protects the tire, and after you've been driving the car, the tire are still having a good saturation effect, good gloss, just well balanced, just lovely stuff, very warm, looks pretty good. I mean, Cleantle tire dressing is definitely one of the best. It just loses point at the sand, so it cannot make it into the S tier. Next up is Ethos Guardian tire dressing. This one is their twist on CARPRO Perl, meaning that you can dilute this according to your needs, but is even more concentrated, meaning that if you use this straight on your tires, it can be overwhelming because this provides so much gloss, so much concentration in this product. So dilute this according to your needs. The scent is crazy good. The fruits from this are excellent. The user experience, the sprayer are good. I mean, this one checks all the boxes, does not have the blotchy look on the tires, is water-based, great stuff. I can't say good enough things. That's probably one of their best products from Ethos in my opinion. So for me, Ethos Guardian goes into the A tier. By the way, if you like videos like this, you know what time it is. It's really helpful for the channel. By the way, did you know that there is 112 tire dressing on carzilla.ca? Kind of crazy, right? I have only 14 here, so it's not even 10% of what they have over there. So next up is Ethos Graphene Tire Shine. Great presentation, great smell from this product. Wow. Sprayer is good enough, so can't make the S tier because of this factor. And this one is one of the more matte tire dressing in the lineup of today. I'd say matte for me is below satin. So if the matte look is your thing, you can always try this one. It does not last more than the others because it's called graphene. And for me, for my taste, this one needs 2 layers on a tire to really make it pop, especially tires that are not ever dressed. So for me, this one goes into the B tier. Guys, stay tuned, the best is to come. So next up we have Nxtzen Durogel. This one has a great presentation. As you can see, I really like their packaging. The fragrance is bubblegum, so really nice. Solvent base. The problem with this one for me is the filling effect. It can look a little blotchy if you inspect it right on sports tire, where again there's the velour sidewall. For me, that's really important. Many of those tire dressing struggle to fill out the tire sidewall perfectly. So for me, this is a big turn off if your tire shine can't do it. This one goes into the B tier. It loses point at that. The gloss, I mean, this one is well balanced, has just the right semi-gloss type of look that I really like. But like I said, it loses points at the filling ability of this solvent-based tire dressing. Next up is Kamikaze number 6. The most expensive product in our lineup today, has a bunch of crazy claim on their bottles. That's their type of approach for Kamikaze. I really don't care about all of these. For me, their products are good, but they don't always bring something new. It's just a label, right? But again, this is my opinion, but this product goes into the S tier. Oh. But why, Frank, in the S tier? Well, the Kamikaze number 6 tire dress is one of the best products to fill out the sidewall of sports tire, meaning that it has a really even look from beginning to end. If you've drove after, it doesn't matter. Keeps the appearance for a very long time. Looks really good. I'd say this one is similar to CARPRO Perl using straight in terms of gloss. Not very glossy, but not matte. A well-balanced satin look. I would compare this to CARPRO Perl, but on another level. My only con with this is the fact that it's really thin. So it's really thin and it doesn't have a great scent. So that's it. But for me, this product fills out the sports tire so well that I have to put it at the S tier. And please don't take this dripper for granted. I'm not sure that that's the one that should come with the bottle. It's just what I had at the time. Next up, we have our first D tier. I don't know if you expected a D in this video. On this channel, we're not shy to tell the truth for you guys, all right? So next up is Mild Deep Black. I really wanted to like this one, but it's really too thick on the tire, has really some issue when it comes to filling the tire, has an awful type of solvent smell. I'd say that this product should probably only use on trims. But again, this is just my experience, my opinion. And like I said, I wish this one would perform because I like the brand. I like the packaging, and I know they can do better with the scent. I know they could probably do better for tires, and if you want to try it on trims, it's up to you. All right, guys, we have 4 more to go. I have great stuff to tell you. Those things you don't want to miss, and you know on this channel we tell you all. So next up is Koch Chemie HPC. Ooh, if you've watched my best product of the year, you know that this one was my favorite for this year. So obviously it goes into the D tier. No, it goes into the S tier. It does everything at perfection. It checks all the boxes. The perfect shine. By the way, a lot of you guys are sending me DMs. I use this straight, and this is just how I like this one on trims, on tires. Like I said, perfect amount of gloss, durable as well. So this product stays the same. Even though if you drive, the gloss is going to remain similar. It has a great vanilla type of scent, very warm, very good. It fills the tire to perfection, is water-based, great presentation, protects the rubber like nothing else, lasts a long time. So again, this is the proof that you don't need a solvent-based tire dressing. So again, this one straight into the S tier. And if you're worried about the price, this one is a liter bottle. So if your typical tire shine costs you 20 bucks and this one costs you 40, meaning that most of them are 500 mLs, this one is 1 liter. You know, on this channel, we are picky about our stuff. We are car detailing enthusiasts. We want the best of the best. And sometimes I may sound harsh on some product, but that's just the reality. I've been testing so many products. I know a thing or two about how to differentiate them. So this is how it's gonna go. Next up is Car Candy Tropical Thread. I like the fact that it's water-based. The scent is very good. It has that tropical, fruity vibe. I installed this sprayer myself, so I'm not sure what sprayer that you get with it. But for me, the presentation needs some work. I know this line is probably targeting shops or people who just want to save money as much as possible. This is a good performer, but not the best here. And for me, this product goes into the C tier. Next up is Cerakote Rapid Tire Coat. So this one has some really bold and I'd say crazy claims on their packaging. I like the fact that this brand is trying to be different. They're trying to bring something new and really add value to their product line. I like the fact that it comes with a foam applicator such as this one. It looks like a Chemical Guys hand applicator. It's good, it works great. I'm not a big fan of foam applicator when it comes to tire dressing. It's hard to go at the very bottom where the tire meets the ground. Another thing that I like to mention that is this product is only 10 ounces. So you only get 296 mLs for the same price and you get a cheap sprayer. It has a common look from other brands, but this one is really thin plastic. If you walk on this plastic is going to crap, I guarantee it. So the claims are a little bit bold, meaning that they mention that it should last 10 times longer than most leading brands. I have to disagree there. And overall, when I looked at the application, it was great. It's very matte, I'd say between satin and matte, so not much shine. Of course, they mentioned you can use a second layer to add gloss, and it didn't really last much longer than the others. And under the light, in the right condition, you can see that this product is filling the tire well, but not perfect, all right? So these are my thoughts, my friends. This one goes into the C tier. By the way, Cerakote in the application process, they make you wipe the excess with a towel because they want you to avoid tire sling probably, but this product does not need to be wiped off at the end. For me, I haven't seen a need, and this is something I never do with my tire dressing. If you have cleaned the tire well, if you have not over applied your tire dressing, you should not get tire sling. Of course, let it dry for at least half an hour, but other than that, tire sling is something I don't really experiment at all. Next up is NV Onyx. You guys know, my regular viewers, this is one of my favorite for this year. Great discovery, has a caramel type of scent, so great experience. I like the presentation. The consistency of this product is a thick gel, just like Cleantle product. And this look is, again, semi-gloss. They mentioned satin here, but for me, this one is more of that Armour Detail Supply Tire Plus look or that HPC from Koch Chemie. just a semi-gloss, and I just love the way it looks as is. Great performer, has a really deep black, dark, rich effect on the tire. This one goes into the S tier. The 4 product into the S tier, I would highly recommend. I would buy them again. Don't forget to check out the links down below. And if you haven't seen your favorite tire dressing in this one, watch this video right here.